This is something special.
Watch this video till the end because there is a lot of things which you guys are going to see in my vlog, because I have take Shazan also, I have take Shazan mom also, so there is a lot of things which you have to see. So watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ikra Sheikh, and today I am going to attend Shazan Khan's another workshop, and today is 17th September and it is his birthday also. So yeah, let's go. I'm outside right now and there are a lot of people here. So yes.
How are you all doing today? Dude, I'm literally shivering right now. I wasn't expecting so many people. This is madness. I can't show it to everybody what I can see right now. But thank you so much for coming here. Oh, this is like my dream come true right now. What I can see at this point of time, I can't even explain it. Thank you so much for patiently waiting. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shazan. How are you all doing? Are you all good? Are you all ready to take Bombay down today? Are you ready to celebrate my birthday with me? Can we do this one last time in Bombay, guys? Thank you so much. Just do me a favor, right? Just spread out properly, take the whole room. This place is as big as 18,000.
Okay, can everyone please move back?
Good Bombay, are we ready to go? We all have enough space. I'm telling you, the reason why I have booked this entire place is for you all. Please take your space. You have screens around you where you can see me from. I don't know if you can you see me from there? Okay. Can you see me from the other side also? गाना बजा दो please. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Jump, jump. I think this is gonna be the biggest class of my life. I think it's mentioned. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2. Jump. Short. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 and a 4. 1 circle, half and half, go step. sit down, play. Guys, what? Guys, spread out properly, spread out properly. That was so sweet. I think I'm not gonna lie, I say this every year, but this year's birthday is gonna be very special for me because of it. Thank you so much for making my day. Thank you. Thank you. Play. I will just perform once for them so they understand their timing also because it's not easy for them to see. Everyone sit down, everyone this side also sit down. Guys sit down, please sit down. Parents who are near the pillar, can you thoda sa go behind so that if they are able to dance, they have the space for it. Let's cut it in half. Let's go from here. So you don't even waste a lot of energy. Okay, so we go from here till tricep. Okay, at one shot. Clear? On my birthday today. No, you cannot. You have to give me more energy. Don't. Let's go. Once again from the top. Let's go. Everyone with full energy. Okay, so now what we do. Okay. One second. Breathe. Vocal cords बढ़ जाएगा. एक मिनट रुकिए. मेरे पास माइक है तो मेरे पास नहीं है. Okay. Okay, sit. कंट्रोल में नहीं आ रहे.
क्या करें?
Okay, sit. अरे आगे क्यों आ रहे
Can
हो?
everyone sit?
Yeah.
फिर सब आराम से प्यार से बात करो. बैठ जाओ. Sit.
Okay, now stay down. Stop moving. किसको ढूंढ रहे हैं? How are you feeling on a scale of 1 to 10? Honestly, tell me. Okay. I'm really concerned about my back people because you're all my main people at this point of time. And I would just look at the ceiling, listen to songs, and I would just imagine exactly what is happening right now here. Yeah, and today what I want to and I feel this is nothing that I've seen at this point of time. I think this is just my first step, or maybe this is just a glimpse of what I want to achieve. But you all in every city, every class that I'm doing of law, I'm going and thanking everyone genuinely because I don't know their faces. Yeah, the whole army that is going with me everywhere in this world, I don't know your faces. So wherever I'm going, I'm thanking each and everyone because this dream was maybe possible because you all believed in me when nobody else did at that point of time. Yeah. The whole purpose of saying this genuinely is if me, I mean, and I'll be damn honest, like how you are, even the same way I was a little laid back, a bit, but not every time. But sometimes, I used to be like, no, I don't want to do it, no, I want to do it. Maybe something else, maybe this is not meant for me, maybe this is not meant for me. Somewhere I started doubting myself here and there, and there'll be a lot of people who would connect me with this. I don't know if you all do. Don't doubt on yourself. At this point of time, when I'm standing here and I'm saying this, it takes a little bit of time. I know it takes a little bit of patience. It breaks you every time you do this, but trust me, when you get here, and what you see from here is a totally different game, and that'll only come when you work very, very, very hard and you be true to yourself. You be true to your art. Yeah, don't listen to anybody, whatever they have to say about you. You keep doing what you want to do. I'm so glad that you are a part of this whole long family that is going on all over the world. It is really sad, I'll be damn honest, it's sad that I'm not gonna teach this in Bombay. Yeah, but maybe I'm not gonna teach this long in Bombay. Maybe I can do a long 2.0 in Bombay. I'm not sure, but there's one part still left, yeah, and maybe this will be there. So I'm gonna give myself a time for a month. Exactly 17th October is when we decide if we want to do this or not. But I'm super grateful to each and everyone who's come here. Thank you so much for all the parents standing and supporting your children right now for their dream and doing everything you all can do for them. Maybe they will not realize this right now, but give them a little bit of time and they will prove it to you as well. I know you all were waiting, standing, you've not eaten anything, but I think you have to do this like a parent, like you've always done. So thank you so much for being here. I think you should clap. You don't know what all they do for you. Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. People at the back, once again, thank you for staying back. Team, can you all come in front? Team, can you all come in front fast? Here.
DJ, where is DJ? Tony,
Can I have all the team members here?
Devansh, please come. Devansh. Mohsin.
Okay, I'm gonna start from my left. Can you all sit down? So I'll take one name so you all can stand up. Just sit down, fast. Okay. The main person who handled everything, he did everything, was the backbone of this event. Without that person, this event wouldn't have possible. That's Dhwani Jain on the left. That's Dhwani Jain. After that, you have Navya in front of you. That's Navya. You have Kanak in front of you. Kanak. Then you have Shalam in front of you. We have Harshita in front of you. We have Heer Karnani in front of you. We have the most adorable boy, adorable than me, so that you can see of the group. Then we have Shruti in front of you. Okay. We have people come. My long extended family from Delhi has come. That's Ganesh from here. We have Arman here. We have Rishi here. We have Saira Khan, one more Khan in the house here. We have Krisha Uppal here. Sargun Singh here. Suhani here. Sangharsh here. Can you turn Dhyana? Dhyana here. I can't see from back. Elena, get up. Thank you. That's Elena. Sanskar, he was the one. Sanskar and Suhani is the number whom you're calling and irritating, asking for Shahzad's number. Shahzad's number is their number. It's not mine. They are not able to sleep because everyone's calling them at 3, 4 a.m. thinking it's my number. Did I miss out on anyone? That's my biggest supporters here, Mary. Yeah. So now let's just get up and go 3 more times. Happiest birthday. Can we sing for her? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, play. Guys, let's do 3 more times. Who's the fourth person? I would like to call on Play. Okay, can I showcase for you all now finally? Okay, can you all sit down? If you all sit down. क्या हो गया? ठीक है ना सब कुछ? दो बार बोल बहुत स्वीट चीज़ है तुम जो कर रहे हो, ये बहुत स्वीट है. I'm just going to leave you with one thing. The amount of love that you've given me today, just give that 1% of love to yourself and see where you will reach. I'm going to try to be there for everyone who's there in this room in whatever possible manner I can be ever in my life. But you don't know what you've done to me today. I think I'm going to take years to get over this birthday this night, and it's only because of you all. Thank you so much. If you all don't mind, if you all parents, are you all good? Are you all fine? Just, I think you're gonna have a tough time finding your child here. I don't know, just figure it out. Yeah, but thank you once again. I'm gonna do a selfie with all of you all. I don't think so any frame is made right now in this world that can fit in so many people and so much of love and one frame. I don't think so. But I'm still gonna try. Can I have a rich iPhone, please? Before we get done, before I take the selfie, do you all wanna do it twice more, you all? Okay, so spread out across the room. Let's do it once again. मैंने बोला मैं आखिरी बार कर रहा हूँ, ये नहीं बोला तुम आखिरी बार कर रहे हो. Let's go once again. Play.
Happy birthday, Shazam!
Are we ready with this song? Can we please all... We'll do that. Okay. Back people, can you all come a little front so that we can have everyone there? Are you ready? And you go. Ground control. Ready? Are you ready, Bombay? But the guy, he doesn't have the sound. He doesn't have the, I don't have the permission to play any other song. Understands? No.
Which song you want, I'll get it.
Parents, I need your help.
I'll get it.
Okay, here we are. It's humanly impossible. It's okay, here we are. It's humanly impossible for me to take pictures with 1,000 people. Guys, as much as I want to take a picture, understand I go 1,000 people. It's just not about one child, it's about 1,000 people right now in this room, and it will take a lot of time. Even if I want to take pictures, I can't take pictures. I'm really sorry, please. But yeah, you take the selfie how much ever you want to. I'll be right here. Don't get me wrong, but this is the only quickest way that I can do it. So you watch our guys take the selfie. Now there are no way to do something there. So sorry, मैं भाग रहा था एकदम. बहुत अमीर हो आप लोग.
बढ़िया. अरे पूरा बॉम्बे तोड़ दिया भाई आज. खत्म बॉम्बे खत्म. बॉम्बे खत्म. एग्जाम. Go share, subscribe, go follow the page. All my love to you. Thank you. कर दो यार विश का तो.
Zanza, she is my mom.
How are you? Sorry, in the beginning there was a little bit of problem.
Yeah, bye.
Rishika, come back. Sorry. Me to say hi to
My vlog.
your vlog.
Yes.
Hi vlog. I don't know which channel this is. What's your name?
Ikra Sheikh.
Ikra Sheikh. Hi people who follow Ikra Sheikh. I am very happy to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Andheri wala.
ये देखा है ना.
Yes. मैंने देखा है.
विदुषी लोग यार बस स्टार्टिंग में दिखे.
नहीं उसके बाद.
मन्नत. वाओ.
ये असलियत से बेटर है.
एक बार ऐसा फोटो लेना ना. क्रेजी ना.
Prettier than the reality. Love it. एयर इंडिया के वो होते हैं ना.
संभालो इसको संभालो. I think it's wet. It's still wet.
I don't know.
YouTube. Please don't subscribe to this. Me. No, for real.
Can you all start
crazy.
moving to this space because then they will
Go like, share,
about
subscribe, everything.
increasing the time of this space. A lot of money. ये सब तो ठीक है. कचरे का डब्बा किधर है?
शेष तू निकल सबसे पहले. पता नहीं बात कर.
I'm like, please don't go. ऐसा लग रहा है जाए ना शर्मा.
Guys, once start leaving after.
Are you real?
मैं तो निकल रहा हूँ. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. इनको बोलना. Guys, जय श्री कृष्ण. समर्पयामि. चलो निकलो. गुड. सब बता दो क्या सब बता दो. अभी के लिए वेन्यू से बाहर निकलने में फोन करता हूँ. संदीप सर. I got a call from you.
Already know what it is. You told us last week. क्या हो रहा है?
गिफ्ट अपनी हो रहा है. बहुत आया है. वॉल्यूम कम कर दो. यस भाई. बैग सैलून का बैग ब्लैक कलर का था क्या? ब्लैक कलर वो पड़ा. पिक्चर सामने भी. चलो पहन ले. फिर रात में पहन. क्या बात
Lovely.
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा रहा है अभी लोग का सही काम मैंने करा मेरे को पता है
Where's mom?
गाइस निकले
Mama.
गाइस निकले
Okay, okay.
गाइस मेन्यू में तुम लोग की वजह से
चलो ना.
मैं घर नहीं जाने दूंगा तुम लोग को
Say bye.
बाय बाय
Bye, Shizanzo. Bye.
Come on, bye bye. See you, thank you. Take care, bye. वो खोल देंगे गाइस, वो खोल देंगे प्लीज वहाँ से एग्जिट कर दो, खोल देंगे. Where are you going now? Home. Back. खुला है.
छोटे स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे
गाइस तुम लोग चलो प्लीज, मेरे को काम है.
सो गाइज दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे. जैसा कि आपने ब्लॉग में देखा कि कल जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छा सेलिब्रेशन हुआ है. सो फॉर मोर वीडियोज़ डू लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल एंड थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी सो मच लव.